Settle into a comfortable position, making sure you will not be disturbed. Close your eyes and take a deep inhale for the count of 4. Hold for 2 seconds and exhale for the count of 4. While you are inhaling, just say to yourself, breathing in. On the exhale, say breathing out. Repeat this breathing sequence 6 times while focusing on your breathing. As you continue to hold your attention on your breath, begin to breathe in a golden, bright light. Imagine this light filling every crevice of your body. Feel your energy rise. Feel your hands begin to tingle as the golden light exits through your fingertips and wraps itself around your body. Engulf yourself in a golden bubble of bright light. As if on a cloud, imagine drifting through the sky in your golden bubble. Your body feels warm and safe. You feel protected in every way. The longer you are drifting, the more deeply relaxed you become. While you continue to focus on your breathing, begin to repeat on every inhale, I am light. I am love. Hold the inhale for 2. Exhale and repeat. I am light. I am love. Inhale for a count of 4. I am light. I am love. Hold for 2. Exhale for a count of 4. I am light. I am love. Feel yourself falling into a deep state of relaxation. All is quiet and still. Your body feels heavy, timeless, relaxed. Allow this feeling of relaxation to grow as your body and mind continue to become even more calm and peaceful. You are feeling grounded and centered. See this grounded, relaxed feeling as a bright light and imagine it surrounding your body, cocooning you in a protective, confident sheep. Now think about speaking in public. In the past, these thoughts may have been a cause of concern to you. They may have brought up feelings of worry or anxiety. I want you to relax those feelings now. You don't need them anymore. Imagine these negative feelings as a darker light, slowly drifting out of your body, melting into the cosmos as you become completely enclosed in a brighter, more dazzling light. I want you to hold on to these new positive feelings and imagine you are waiting to go into a room to give a presentation. You are standing there, breathing deeply. You are completely calm and at ease. You are 100% confident in your ability to give the presentation, knowing that you are fully prepared. Repeat to yourself, "This is easy. I am calm. Everything will run very smoothly." Before you go into the room, picture the people that will be in there. Picture their happy faces, smiling, accepting of you, and nodding their heads in agreement. You know in your heart and soul that you will do great. You are actually feeling excited. You are really looking forward to giving the presentation. When you step into the room, feel confidence oozing from every fiber of your being. You see friendly faces before you. As you begin your presentation, step outside of yourself to view this confident new you. See a very confident public speaker before you. You are dressed immaculately. Your hair is neat and tidy. You have a friendly smile. See yourself give your speech and presentation with absolute confidence. You have memorized every single word with ease. You make eye contact with each and every person in the room. You see their friendly faces. You see them nod their heads in agreement. Your words are clear and concise. are breathing calmly. Your words flow so easily. It feels great. You feel so comfortable in front of an audience. You are a natural. You stand tall. At the end of the presentation, you invite your audience to ask some questions. You answer their questions easily and effortlessly, and with excellent attention to detail. Everyone is so impressed. You look at their faces and they love your presentation. It has been a massive success. When you finish off your presentation, notice a huge sense of accomplishment flood your body. You have done it. You were brilliant. You are a winner. Picture the people in the room come up to congratulate you on such a great presentation. You hear, "Well done. That was fantastic. Congratulations. That presentation blew me away. You did it. You knew you could do it." Feel how excited you are. Feel how happy you are at achieving such a feat. You feel exhilarated. You feel such pride. After you leave the room, go to your quiet, meditative place and repeat the following affirmations. I am a confident public speaker. I easily connect with every audience. My words flow easily and effortlessly. My words are clear and concise. My message is clear and is always well received. I speak with clarity and conviction. My public speaking skills are always complimented by my audience. I can easily remember facts and figures. I choose to be calm and relaxed in front of an audience. I always feel relaxed in front of an audience. I am a successful public speaker. My voice is powerful and confident. My public speaking skills are improving every day. I have the ability to be a great public speaker. I find public speaking easy and enjoyable. I am a natural. when it comes to speaking in public. Now, take a moment to feel gratitude and joy for your wonderful life and the continuous miracles it produces. Take several deep breaths and slowly count down from 5 through to 1. Starting at 5, you begin to wake up from the meditative state. 4. You are becoming more alert. 3. Stretch your arms up and take a deep breath. 2. Slowly begin to open your eyes. 1. Open your eyes fully. You are now fully awake, feeling refreshed and energized.